Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got one from Japan by Marutai, and it's Kumamoto Tonkotsu. See that? Do you see? Look at that. And it's from Marutai, and Marutai's stuff is really good. That's what I've found thus far. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook this sucker up. It's a 2-pack, so you get 2 servings. You get 2 of these bundles of noodles, like so. And you just basically peel this neat little ring off. Grasp it firmly and drop it into the boil. Very standard noodle. And you do it for 3 minutes, and that's 500 mils of water. So while that's going, I'm going to show you how to read packaging from foreign countries for instant noodles, so you don't have to constantly go, how long does this take? How do I do? Don't boil over, you son of a... Okay. It's really, really easy. Where is it? Right here. Let's make sure you can see this. Right. That. There you go. First off, 500 milliliters. That's easy to read. Second off, 3. That's it. 500 milliliters of boiling water for 3 minutes. It's that easy. It looks a little different on the Korean packs, but it's still a large number, usually like 250, 300, 400, 500, sometimes 600. But generally it's either 400, 500, or 600 for a pack. And if you're lucky enough, if you want to cook it on the stove, Japanese ones will, the cups and stuff will tell you the milliliters. Or if you have, it's mainly so if you have a dispenser. And, yeah. Indeed. Yeah, so we wait. It's gurgling. Not crazy gurgling, but it's gurgling good enough. So you're going to want to put some groovy stuff on your tonkotsu. Because, first off, you need some tonkotsu. This came out of an Umai crate. Umai crate is made by Japan Crate. Use the coupon code the Ramen Rater to get a discount. But I digress. But it's like a Noodle of the Month Club kind of thing. And it's all Japanese stuff. A lot of do-it-yourself things, some seasonings. It's groovy. I really like it. I really like getting those boxes in the mail. What's funny too is they show up like totally in good condition. I have packages that spend like literally like 30 hours getting from wherever to here, and they show up just beaten down. These come all the way from Japan, and they use cheap shipping so they can give it to you for free shipping, and it gets here fine. It takes a while, but it does get here in a decent fashion. So, all right, here, whoa, you're getting frisky there, tripod. So here is your noodle. Some people would go right at this point, drain off all the water, boil new water, and throw it in that. I think that's ridiculous and silly. But if you really want to do that, you are free to be ridiculous and silly. I like silly things, so silliness is always allowed here at Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the powder base for the tonkatsu broth. Aw, come on, really? Okay. Yeah, you're getting that nice milky whiteness. And then it's got the... So this is Kumamoto Tonkotsu. Kumamoto is a region. It's a, I believe it's a prefecture in Japan. So this is a spicy deal for your spicy enjoyment. Garlic oil. Well, look at it. It's already doing its magic. Doesn't that look neat? I think so. I really like how different oils just kind of dance at the top. It's a beautiful thing. Let's give this stuff a taste. I think I know how I'm going to feel about this. Look at that. All that darkness. That's good. Now for the noodle. That is a beautiful thing. It has it has this what do you call it? The noodles, you can taste the flour in them. Very doughy and very, very tasty. Leave that one out of the mix. So, you have this, and you want to make it look nice. Easiest thing to do is go down to your grocery store, because invariably they'll have this, which technically is chashu pork. Yep. And then at your grocery store, they probably have these too. And you can use these things, they're silicone, and you soft boil eggs in them. Gloopy. Yeah, and your soft boiled eggs are like pretty in your tonkatsu. There you go, see? Okay. Now, what else do we have? Mung bean sprouts. Another easy thing to get at the grocery store. Also, if you have an Asian grocery, the likelihood that they'll have some kind of tonkatsu straight noodle is pretty high these days. They also might have something in the refrigerated area, which is cool. What else we got? Oh, and they'll have this. This is pickled ginger. Throw a little right there. Yummy. Yummy. A lot of time people put it on top. I prefer to slap it on the side. I'm going to put more of these on there. Doom, doom, doom. And more mung bean sprouts right here. Doom, doom. No. Doom, doom. Yeah. And let's throw some sesame seeds in there. Bam! And I ran out of the other stuff. So, like I was saying with that umai crate, they included in a couple boxes ago this habanero shichimi. So let's. Oh. There. Oops. There. Hooray! In fact, let's just do a light bit of that on the egg. All about being a little bit gentle. Let's finish it off by throwing a little bit of broth on there. Yep. Yep. And honestly, I think that's good. And I'm on a diet, and I really want to eat all this. Because I would so slurp up this bowl right now. And I know, let's see, how bad is it? 336 calories? That's... I don't believe it. I'll have to scan it. But, yeah. That looks pretty good, doesn't it? Would you eat this if you were here right now? Would you be like, step aside, sir, I know you're on a diet. I will save these noodles. There we go. Here, get all up in there. Pretend you're eating it. Mmm. Yes, just look at that ramen. Wouldn't you love to be eating this right now? Well, you can't, because you see, I won't be eating it, and it will end up going down the sink into the garbage disposal. It's sad. It's very sad. But anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.